Welcome. Today we're going to learn how to view all shared PDF files in a Telegram chat on your PC. With the latest updates, accessing your documents has never been easier. Let's dive in. First, open your Telegram desktop application. Once it's launched, you'll see your list of chats on the left side. Now find the chat where you want to locate the shared PDFs. This could be a conversation with a colleague, a group chat, or even a family discussion where important files were exchanged. Once you've identified the chat, click on the chat's name at the top of the window. This action will take you to the contact info page. Here, you can see all the details about the chat, including members and shared media. This step is essential, as it allows you to explore the content shared in that conversation. Next, look for the Files section on the contact info page. This is where all the files exchanged within the chat are stored, including those important PDFs. Click on Files, and you'll see a list of all the documents shared in that chat. As you scroll through the list, you'll find all the PDFs shared during your conversations, neatly organized for easy access. Telegram makes it simple to distinguish between different file types, so you can quickly locate the PDFs you need. If you're searching for a specific PDF, you can use the search feature. Just type in relevant keywords related to the document and